Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I just can't believe that a year ago I was trying, it didn't work, and now I'm here. Finally, it's still a very out-of-body experience, to be honest. It's not real, in my opinion. It just doesn't feel that yet. But definitely the costs are real, so that is a real thing. Just so you guys know, I did end up going through FHA. I ended up having to put money down, but you know what? I'm happy about it because it was the smoothest process. Once I got pre-approved in a day, and then bam, found the house 2 days, under contract 3rd day. Awesome. I just knew that God wanted me here. This community has some of the best schools, if not the best schools in Georgia. It has a tennis court, pool, clubhouse, gym, playground. It's a very safe neighborhood, and for what I have, oh my gosh, I know I'm blessed for sure. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. I have some more videos I'm going to be doing on just like my, projects and whatever else. Maybe talk more about the loan, being a single mom, doing it. Hey, how did I do it? How can you do it? I have student loans. You probably know all of this too well, think it's not possible for you. Well, I'm here to tell you there is a possibility for you as well. You just have to be strategic and know what to look for, who to work with, etc., and have your money and your credit right? So with that being said, stay tuned. For those who are in the market looking, whether you're working with NACA or anything else, I have a group called Homey. The description is in the link, is in the description box. If you want to join, but you must answer my questions because I will not approve you if you do not. So that's how that goes. Other than that, I'm just so blessed, and thank you guys for watching. If he can do it for me, and if it's your time, trust me, he's not gonna hold back any good thing from above will not be held back from those that are righteous. Trust and believe. Peace, everybody.